Hi, and welcome to Strive Technologies' Introduction to the Chat tab. In this video, we're just going to go over the basics of creating a new chat with an employee and the toolbar down at the bottom of the Teams window. Let's get started. So first, in order to create a new chat, we'll notice that there's a button up here with a square and a little pen icon. This is how we can create a new chat. If we click on that, it will ask us to enter our to address. We can enter someone's name. So let's, for example, type in my boss's name, Tim Singleton. You'll notice that it auto-populates with his contact. And if we click on that, you'll notice that it brings up all of our chat history. We can go ahead and hit enter, and that will create a new item under the recent tab. If we go into contacts, you'll notice that currently I have no contacts under the favorites item. We can go into our recent chat, select our user, and select the three dots right here, and we can select add to favorites. Once we do that and head to contacts, you'll notice that Tim Singleton shows up under the favorites contacts. If you use the chat functionality and are chatting with multiple employees, they will all stack up here. If I want to create a new chat, I can click on the new chat again and enter my name, Eric Thompson, and click on the contact. That again will bring up the chat window, and we can hit enter to accept that chat. You'll notice that Tim Singleton went away, and that's because I did not send a chat. Now, if I go in here and I send Eric a chat message, you'll notice that it will pop up in the lower right-hand corner. When this pops up, I can select the reply button and send a quick reply back. Once that reply comes in, if we're on a different tab and someone sends you a test message, you'll notice it'll show up in the bottom right hand corner who it's from, and it'll also put a little red notification showing how many chats you have under the chat functionality. If we click on that chat, you'll see that it would be bold. Once we select it, it will go away, and then you'll see the last red icon. Now, if we send a new chat to someone and they have not looked at it, you'll notice that this is a check mark with a circle around it. That's telling you that it has been sent successfully and the other user has received it. Now, if I go and I look at that message, you'll notice that it changed to a little eye icon. These are the read receipts that allow you to make sure that your messages are being read. If your message has not been read within 2 hours, an email notification will be sent to your company email address, notifying you that you have a Microsoft Teams message. Down here on the chat toolbar, we have the ability to select this A, and that gives you the text editing tools like bolding, italicize, underline, paragraphs, bullets, and creating hyperlinks. If we want to mark the delivery options, we can classify it as an important message or as an urgent message. You can notice that if you select it as an urgent message, the recipient will be notified every 2 minutes for 20 minutes until they read the message. We can also click on the paperclip and select upload from computer, and that will allow us to go into our file directory and select a document to upload. You can notice that it's being uploaded by the green status bar at the bottom. Once that goes away, the document has been successfully opened in your Teams chat window, and we can go in and type a message to accompany the document. Because I have the text editor open, when I hit enter, it will create a new paragraph. If you have the text editor open and want to send a message, you'll have to come down here and select this little arrow to send the message. If you don't have the text editor open, you can just hit enter and it will automatically send the message. If you click on the smiley face right here, you'll have a list of emojis, animated emojis, that you can hover over and see the animation. And if you select one of those and send that, you also have the option to search and send specific GIFs. This is Microsoft's GIF system. If we select the three little dots, we can select an application and send that application to the individual user and work collaboratively with them on whatever application we choose. That is the end of the generic chat function. Please visit our next videos to learn more about how to make a video, audio, and screen sharing chat. Thanks.